Hanks BBQ, gonna do some chocolate cobbler, a real southern tradition on the Green Mountain Grill. What we've done is some really good butter, a cup of flour, a cup of sugar, melt the butter down and just add the ingredients all together. 2 tablespoons of vanilla, a cup of milk. And then we've kind of souped it up a little bit, and we've added to that about a half a cup of Heath toffee pieces, about a cup of crisp bacon. And what's gonna happen, we're gonna take the smoker, we're gonna run it up to 425 degrees. We're gonna put it on there all stirred up. It's gonna be about a 45 minute cook at 425, and you'll see the crust start coming to the top and the flour and everything, and it'll have a nice crust, and then under it's gonna have the nice gooey chocolate. And then it's gonna just rise up to the top, and you're gonna have a nice, delicious chocolate cobbler. Thanks for tuning in, watching the videos. Hope you got some real informative stuff out of it. Have fun with it, and we'll see you next time.